Hi guys, I have two new free invitation templates for you guys. I'm just going to go over really quickly a preview of both of them, and then I will show you how to edit them and then send them. So you can find these on my website. You can go under digital cards and then under invitations. Cozy party invites. Right now, as of recording this video, I have them on the home page. So if we go to this one first, you'll just go down here and you'll download this PDF that kind of gives you some instructions. I will show you here what it looks like. It'll look like this when you download it. And when you click that link, it will take you right to the Canva editor. You view template and then you open it in editor, and you only need a free Canva account to use this template and to export it. Add your details like that. Change the place. And this is animated. Let me show you. And you can send it as an animated version, or you can send it as a still version. Let me show you here. You go to share and then download, and then you do the MP4 video if you want it to be the animated version. Otherwise, just choose JPEG or PNG if you just want to send it as it is. You can change everything on these templates. You can change the background, you can change the fonts, you can swap these images in and out if you want to go through your elements library and choose whatever you'd like. And then you just attach it as if you were attaching a video or a photo to your messages. Let me show you the other one. Same thing, you'll get a PDF like this. After clicking the download link, you'll go to view template, and then you'll go to open in editor. You'll swap out your details. This one looks a little trickier, but it's not. We'll do Monday. Maybe they're having a Monday craft and snack party. Change the date, the time, the place. This is all just a font, so it's really easy to change. And the place. And then once you share this as an MP4, here I'll show you the preview. So this is what it'll look like once they open that text message. As always, go and check out the rest of my digital cards. I'm not sure when you'll be watching this, so there could be a lot of different things on this main screen here. So far, there's Christmas cards, invitations, empowerment and motivational cards that you can send just because, some happy birthday cards, and they all work the same way. You just click the link, you go into Canva, and you edit. Please leave a comment if you have any ideas on what you want me to make next. I am open to suggestions, and then let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. You can also leave comments under my articles. So thanks so much for watching.